Yeah. I want to name it again. Biker! How you doing? How you doing? Good. Get soft there, yeah. Yeah. I've been trying to just leave it in one setting and get used to it and everywhere. Oh, got walkers crossing, watch out. That's a sneaky ass spot.
Looking out, I would have ran him over. You alright?
Yeah. That looks good too. Somebody must have greened that up this one, put some,
What?
and pick some this right here, because it wasn't like this. This?
Was it this one?
Nah, this right here looked just like that. Like it didn't have nothing wiped out in it at all. Man, I gotta find a good
idea with the bell.
Gotta let them know you're coming.